Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm going to attempt to show you how to draw something like this. I'm not extremely pleased how it came out. I mean, it's almost like a sharp edge. I just think it's the angle of the ring. So we're going to start with a ring. And then I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. Holding down the Shift key, I'm going to bring in the other ring. What's always best to do is make that an object. So we're going to fill it in with that yellow. Let's go ahead and move that over here. Now we're going to get the extrude tool. You have to touch on the yellow and you kind of extrude it. And then let's try angling a little bit different. Maybe something like that, and bring the extrude back so it won't be quite so thick. And now if we left click, right click, that's what we have. And it looks pretty good, but you need to delete some lines. So to delete the lines on extrude, you have to select it all and go up to object and break the extrude group apart. Then just start deleting lines that you should not be able to see. You really, that line isn't there. So this thing is going to have a border on it. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Probably get that one right there. And see, this is that sharp edge I just don't like. But I really haven't figured out, and that's not really the scenario here. So this thing is, wow, it's 8 inches. We'll set our nudge factor on 10. And let's make a copy of it. And then I'm going to put a rectangle around it because a lot of times the extrude group will leak. That didn't leak. So there's one of the colors, two of the colors, three of the colors. So now we have 3 separate colors there. And I'm going to do it in yellow this time. So our outer ring, you can see it. Let's add a little black to it, just a little bit. Holding down the control button. Whoop. Holding down the control button. Just add a little darkness to it. Now let's get that part and add a lot of darkness. So I'm going to hold down the control button and make it a little darker. Maybe not the best choice of colors. I really like the blue one, but this is beside the point what it looks like. It does look like some sort of ring with a lip on it. So we need to group this together, Control G. And then we're going to make a duplicate of that. And you could put it here, or you could mirror it and put it like right there. That looks pretty good. So we got to figure out what part we want on front. We want it to look like they're interlocking, so I'm going to get the rectangle tool. And I'm going to get all these parts. I've got the rectangle selected. Hold down the Shift key and I'll select this. And I'm going to go up to intersect. And I got that part right there. Now take away our box. Take this ring and go up to Object, Order, Back a Page. And now bring this one back in. And it looks like those rings are interlocked. It looks like that ring is going through that ring. I personally think the blue looked a little better because I could add a little darkness to it. But you get the idea. These two colors kind of match, so one thing we could do is put an outline around that ring, put an outline around that ring, and you can see now how it's behind there. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.